Hey, how you doing? It's Clayton here from howtodrawcomics.net. If you've ever wanted to illustrate powerful comic book women but aren't sure where to begin, my new Superheroines course might be just what you're looking for. It'll show you the complete process for drawing, inking, and coloring female comic book characters from start to finish. The biggest challenge most of us run into right off the bat is establishing a strong foundation for our characters that'll ensure their success. So we'll begin by constructing a proportionally accurate figure with correctly placed anatomy that exudes feminine appeal, power, and personality. With a rock-solid foundation established, you'll then learn how to develop a memorable design for your superheroines. I'll give you a practical approach to the design process that allows you to emphasize who your character is along with their backstory so that they're easily understood and relatable. But most importantly, you'll learn what it takes to make them look cool. And after that, we'll get stuck into the practical comic art techniques for inking and coloring as we refine the designs for our superheroines into a full-blown character concept. You'll learn how to use line weights to make your line art pop, cross-hatching techniques for shading and describing form, and how to introduce contrast to your character's design by separating their values for increased visual interest. Then finally, I'll take you through my comic book coloring workflow. We'll discuss color theory, psychology, and lighting, and how they can be used in combination with one another to create an eye-catching presentation for your superheroines. I'll also highlight the distinct differences between material color, texture, and reflectivity so that you're able to incorporate an added level of visual interest within your designs. Throughout these lessons, I'll be demonstrating the development process for 3 unique superheroines from beginning to end, so wherever you're at in your journey as a comic book artist, you should see a significant improvement in your work after going through the lessons included within this course. When you get this course, you'll also receive the PSD files and digital art brushes used throughout the demonstration so that you can go through each layer for yourself and see exactly how these superheroines were composed. Best of all, you'll be able to go back and watch each lesson as many times as you like. You can play, pause, and rewind them to review any information you might have missed the first time and go through the course content at your own pace. We've got a lot of ground to cover and I can't wait to show you what's in store. So buckle up, strap in, and let's get started.